Hello, hello. Welcome again. Seventh day 7 of our Down Dog Yoga Challenge, the Pawsitivity campaign, amazing cause, and the way you can make your body more and your mind more relaxed. And yeah, we just link together with yoga as well, because you've got this amazing benefits as well. Okay, so day 7 of our challenge. Let's get started now. Okay, still in stand-up position, but if your legs wider this time, inhale, slowly exhale. Reaching really high, straight arm. Inhale and exhale. And now your right, inhale and exhale. And one more, inhale and exhale. Okay, now lift your arms. Slowly exhale, bend your knees, flex your hips like a squat position, but your chest lower. And you're trying to go really low as you got lower back flat. And slowly let's roll up. Inhale. And slowly exhale, link the movement of your breaths. So try deep breathe in. And very slowly breathe out. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And now hands on the floor. Bring your left knee. You've got your left hand and your right foot in front of you, and let's try to twist your right side. Inhale and exhale. As you twist, you're keeping your right leg close to you, not pushing out. You actually try to pull in. Maybe 2 more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. One more time. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And now, left leg, right hand to your left side. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Reaching high. Exhale, relax just one more time. Inhale. Slowly exhale. On your 4. Lift your feet and start to move side to side to mobilize your lower back. So all our preparation for down dogs and up dogs position. But first we need to mobilize your joints and warm your muscles slightly. Perfect. Back to center. Inhale and exhale, moving to the down dog position. Inhale, maybe you're going to rest your knees, or you can hold your knees off the floor. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And now right arm straight, and you try to move down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Now left. Inhale and exhale. Feel the stretch, your chest, shoulder, right? Stretching for better, correct posture. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Let's lay down your belly. Form arms. Inhale and exhale, or hands with your shoulders lower back away from your body. Inhale. Really squeeze your glutes. Clench your buttocks muscles, okay? To safely work with your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Forearms as the elbows, knees, to slowly move to child pose. Your hips higher or lower, whatever works. It is a nice stretch, isn't it? Even the 5 minutes, still you can feel it, all the difference. Amazing. Okay, and slowly let's roll up your knees, bend. Straight legs as you upright. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Okay, so thank you. Day 7 of our Down Dog Yoga Challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. If yes, leave the comments. How are you doing so far? How is your progress? Are you feeling muscles getting stronger, got more flexibility? And if you've never done yoga before, you start to be more familiar with all the stretches and all the rules you need to follow to make sure the stretching is safe. Okay, so keep going, guys. Join us tomorrow for a little bit more down and up dog position and a little bit longer. But don't worry, just an additional few minutes. Okay, so you finished the first week. Well done. High five for that. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow, day 8, our challenge. Bye, guys. Have a nice day.